Today we are going to continue with the topic le preposition the lieu. This means the preposition of place. Now there are two types of preposition. One is preposition due and one is preposition au and en. Okay? One is de and du and one is au and en. Two types of preposition. First of all, I'm going to start up with the preposition du and de. This preposition are done with the verbs venir and être. With two of the verbs, we are going to conjugate these preposition. Now, what is the conjugation of venir verb and what is the conjugation of être verb? You are very much familiar with this. It is je viens, tu viens, il, elle vient. Then is nous venons, vous venez, ils and elles viennent. Okay, this is the verb. Now être, je suis, tu es, il, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils, elles sont. This is the conjugation. Now, the verb venir means to come. Verb venir means to come. So, from, you will write and être means to be. This means coming from a place. If I'm conjugating this with this preposition, this means coming from a place, and to be means belonging to a place. So whenever there are these two verbs in the given sentence, then you are going to use this preposition. Now, see. First one is du. Du is used with masculine countries and continents. Whenever we are going to talk about any of the masculine country and continents, then the preposition du will be placed. Next is de is used with feminine countries du is used with feminine countries and cities. Next is des is used with plural countries. And last, d apostrophe is used with countries and cities starting with a vowel. Okay, so these are the places where we use which of the preposition. Tu viens dash Mozambique. Tu viens du Mozambique. Mozambique is masculine country. Okay. Next is, you can see venir verb is there in the sentence. Okay, is it there now? So whenever you have to place these kind of preposition, definitely venir and être verb will be there in the sentence. Either venir or être. दोनों verb जब भी आपको किसी blank में दिखेंगे, and you are asked to place the prepositions. So according to the given masculine, feminine, plural vowel, you have to place the preposition. Next, see. Second is vous êtes. Lyon. Lyon is a city. Which city? DE is used. Who's at the Lyon? Are you belonging to Lyon? Are you belonging from Lyon? This means, are you belonging from Lyon? So to be in a place, to belong to a place, or to coming from a place, preposition du and de is placed according to the given country, given gender of the country. Even countries and cities also have genders. Next is the example, nous venons. Again, you can see venons is the venir verb. Nous venons dash États-Unis. États-Unis is United States of America, and this is a plural country. Nous venons des États-Unis, and you can see here venir verb is given. Next is last one, je viens dash and. Je viens, the and, D apostrophe, and you can see here venir verb is there. So either it will be venir verb, either it will be être verb. So just keep in mind the conjugation of both the verbs and place the preposition accordingly, according to the given gender of the country.